Hello, viewers, and welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. Today, we are talking about how to utilize AI to select the best warehouse for your customers' orders. Companies with multiple distribution centers, or DCs, regional hubs, and high daily order volumes face a persistent logistics challenge. Shipping rules in Odoo default to a single DC regardless of the customer's location. This leads to increased freight costs from using distant distribution centers instead of closer options, and delayed deliveries put wholesale SLA commitments at risk. We're going to use AI today to assign the closest distribution center based on each customer's delivery address. Utilizing AI for warehouse selection can save roughly 12 hours per week for teams handling thousands of orders daily. It can also cut chargebacks by 30 to 50% from missed wholesale/retailer SLAs and improve delivery competitiveness by actually increasing sub 2-day ship to door rates without paying premium freight costs. As a result, logistics managers can minimize freight costs. So, enough chit chat. Let's jump in and see how this automation works. So, before we start, you're going to need to make sure you have access to the customer's addresses. So, let's head into our settings application and we're going to start typing the word customer and then addresses. Now, would you look at that? Great. It's already enabled. Now, let's take a look at the automation itself. So, we're going to go back to our main dashboard. We're going to select the sales application. Then we're going to click our studio icon on the top right, and then we're going to select automations. Perfect. There is our proximity-based shipping automation. Let's head on in there. Great. We can actually see that this is based on the sales order model and that it is triggered both on create and edit. Now, if we click down here where it says automatic update AI, well, we're taken to a nice little pop-up. So this automation over here was created to update records, which we can see from here. We also have update with AI as our selection right now. Now, as for the prompt itself, we are asking it to take the customer's information, which we can see that we selected the country, state, city, and zip code over here from their own delivery address fields. Now, scrolling down to the full prompt, well, we also included the whole addresses of the warehouses. This is in addition to selecting the warehouse record, which is important. And down here, this is what we are asking our AI to do. Identify which of these three warehouses is closer to the customer's location. So we have provided the AI with all of the information that it needs, and we've asked it to take that information and update the sales order, all of that accordingly. Great. Now that we have all of that set, let's take a look at a few sample workflows. So we're going to discard these changes over here. Okay, so let's create basically a whole new sales order, and we're going to test this out. So let's close Studio. So let's create a new sale and test this out. So we're going to select new up at the top left. Now, before we add in the customer information, let's click on our other info tab and scroll down to the bottom. Over here in our delivery section under warehouse, you'll notice it's defaulted to our Arizona warehouse. Let's scroll back up to the top now, and we're going to select the customer. We're going to click into the customer field, and this time around, I'm going to select a very special customer, Home Sweet Home, and then I'm going to manually save up at the top. This is where the Odoo magic happens, and the Odoo AI magic kicks in as well. So after we add the customer data and we've saved, the delivery warehouse, look at that. It updated over here to the Mexico warehouse since that is the location closest to our customer in Mexico. Now they don't have to pay for international shipping and they get their product faster. And on the note of products, let's go add them. So we're going to select order lines over here and add a product. I'm going to get the cabinet with doors. We're going to do 5 of these over here. Now, I noticed immediately that our forecast icon shows the product availability at the chosen warehouse and it's in stock. So we have our quotation ready to go. But what happens if we change the customer information? If we update the customer over here to Azure Interior, then we save once again. I'm willing to bet if we go over to our other info tab, we also have new changes. And sure enough, the Florida warehouse is populated since it's the closest to the customer. All right, with all of this done, let's confirm the order. And now that that's on its way, let's try another one. So how does this work when a customer places an order from our e-commerce platform? Does the AI assign the closest warehouse as well? Now, it just so happens one of our customers, Joel, placed a new order through our website. So let's take a look by heading into sales. And there is the order. Now, inside of regular Odoo, the default warehouse is the Arizona warehouse, as I have shown multiple times. But right here, this address is Orlando, Florida. Joel lives in Florida. So if I click over to the other info tab and we scroll down, look at that. Odoo AI automatically determined that the Florida warehouse was going to be the closest one. I didn't even have to think about it. The closest warehouse was assigned for me automatically. And there you have it. By automatically assigning the closest warehouse based on customer location, Odoo's AI automations transform a logistics pain point into a competitive advantage. These logistics gains ripple into other departments as well. Finance teams see 2 to 5% lower shipping spend due to shorter freight zones. And accounts receivable can recognize revenue faster, improving day sales outstanding by 1 to 2 days. Thanks for watching, Odooers. See you next time.